Hi, we are doing NCERT class 9, exercise 2.3, question number 3. The question says, suppose the length of a rectangle is 13 centimeter. Find the area if the breadth is 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter. That means the length of the rectangle is fixed, which is 13. And we need to find the area with 3 different breadths. So, and the second part is find the linear pattern representing the area of the rectangle. We have to find a linear pattern representing the area of this rectangle. We know that this is a rectangle, breadth and length. We know the area is represented by length multiplied by breadth. Length, L for length, B for breadth. Now, there are 3 different cases. We need to find the area. That will be my first work. As the breadth in the first case is 12 centimeter and the length is fixed, that is 13 centimeter. So the area will become length into breadth, that is 13 into 12. That becomes 13 into 12, 156. This length is in centimeter and breadth is also in centimeter. So centimeter multiplied by centimeter 2 times give me centimeter square, which is the unit of area. Then the second is breadth is 10 centimeter and the length is 13 centimeter, which is fixed. Again we will find the area. The area is length into breadth, that is 13 into 10. 13 into 10 is 130. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter gives me centimeter square, the unit of area. Then third case, where the breadth is 8 centimeter and the length is fixed, that is 13 centimeter. So the area becomes length into breadth, that is 13 into 8. This is 104 and again centimeter square. Now the next job is find the linear pattern. What we are seeing here, in each area the length is constant, that is 13. So the linear pattern for this area will become, we know that area is length into breadth. So here for this particular rectangle, the linear pattern will be in such a way where the breadth is changing. Length is constant. Length is constant and the breadth is a variable, right? So we will assume let the breadth be B. It can be X, Y, whatever you want. So the area in this case, length is constant, which is 13 given. So 13 and breadth is a variable. So in that variable we will take B. So the area will become 13B. So the linear pattern for area, linear pattern for area for this particular rectangle will become 13B.